Hi guys, this is my first slime rant. It will be an introduction. Hello, my name is Maple. I'm female, and I go by she, her. My favorite characters are 2-Time, Azure, 1X, Shaletsky, Bertaz, John Dojine, Dobluuded, Cool Kid, Bassie, Louie, Sprout, Gordy. Okay, that's it, I can't take it anymore. Author? Why the fuck did you add so much to the script on the favorite? Characters list. Just decide on 3 characters. Bro, just... Okay, whatever. See you in the next slime. Rant Maple out.